Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever heard this phrase? Your network is your net worth. But have you ever asked yourself that what it really means? Today I am going to share things that can help you to understand what is the real meaning of it. Means I am going to talk about how you can build a strong connection. It can be your business, family relationship, or friendship. Whether you are suffering with building strong connection with people, then this video is for you. Here is the reality. Strong connection cannot build overnight. It is just like you seeding a plant and nurturing it, water it, and see the growth of it. So it is not a game of overnight, it is like a planting a tree. It grow up naturally over time. So the basic fundamental of building a strong connection is the exchange of value. Research shows that people are gravitated towards them who can put value to others people's lives. It should not be gifting a expensive gift to other people. It is like listening someone who is feeling vent, making someone laugh in his tough day, sharing a useful idea or resources to the needed people. But most people make things wrong by focusing that what they can get rather than they are not focusing what they can give. So now let's come to the main point, that is how you can build a strong connection. Here are the three things that you should follow to build a strong, valuable network or connection. Number one, start with authenticity. No one likes fake people, right? So you should focus on building genuine connection. Show your actual reality rather than making your life larger than anyone else. Show everyone what you really are. So always remember, authenticity is magical. People like to connect who are genuine. Number two, give before you get. Always, if you want to build a strong connection, then focus on one question, that how I can put or add value to others people's life. So if you have the answer properly in your mind, then you go with that person to connect. Otherwise, if you don't have any answer in your mind that how you can help them to grow in their life, then this connection is not suitable for you to build strong. Number three, be consistent. You can text someone whom you feel that they can add value to your network, but suddenly after 1 or 2 days later you disappear, and it make them less trustworthy in their mind for you, and they feel like you are not a genuine person. That's why it can impact your image. So always try to be consistent with your action. You can stay connected with a small message. You can stay connected by sharing a educational video. You can share any article related to your basics of connection, whatever it is, but stay consistent with your action. A Harvard study shows that people who are connected with people strongly, they can achieve great things in their career. Not only that, but also they are too much happy in their life. If you find this video helpful, then you know what you should do. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, do something.